The long-awaited onboard footage from SpaceX Flight 7 has officially been released, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. This footage doesn't just showcase incredible visuals, it also provides a front-row seat to the innovative upgrades SpaceX has implemented to refine their catching system. These improvements demonstrate SpaceX's relentless pursuit of excellence and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering. So, how impactful are these upgrades? And what can we learn from this remarkable new footage? Let's dive into it all in today's episode of Space Pioneers. For many space enthusiasts, the most anticipated perspective from Flight 7 has been the onboard footage. While SpaceX often shares stunning external angles, close ups, wide shots, and even views from below the booster, onboard footage offers something entirely unique: an insider's view of the action. This perspective provides a level of transparency that is rarely seen in the aerospace industry. SpaceX, being one of the few organizations actively pursuing full rocket reusability, is uniquely positioned to offer such a glimpse into their operations. So, what did the footage reveal? First, let's talk about the camera placement. The onboard camera was positioned near the top of the booster, giving viewers a prime view of the grid fins and landing pins in action. As the booster began its descent, we witnessed the grid fins actively rotating, guiding the massive rocket toward the landing site. While the engine's gimbal action wasn't fully visible from this perspective, we could still catch glimpses of the flames working in perfect synchronization with the grid fins. Together, these elements controlled the booster's navigation and deceleration with remarkable precision. As the Super Heavy booster approached its target, the moment the Mechazilla arms came into view was absolutely electrifying. The arms began to close in perfect harmony with the booster's trajectory. Once the booster was centered between the arms, attention shifted to the landing pins and the landing rail system on the chopsticks. The touchdown itself was nothing short of graceful. Despite the immense size and weight of the booster, the landing system and chopsticks worked together to ensure a smooth and secure process. Compared to Flight 5, this sequence appeared far more refined, showcasing the iterative improvements SpaceX has made to its systems. But the visuals are just one part of the story. Alongside the footage, SpaceX shared detailed flight statistics, giving us a better understanding of just how extraordinary Flight 7 truly was. The booster reached a peak altitude of 90 kilometers, traveled over 60 kilometers downrange, and then performed a precise boost-back burn to return to the launch site. The most astonishing detail? The landing burn was initiated less than 40 meters away from the pre-flight target. This level of accuracy is almost unheard of in aerospace engineering and underscores why SpaceX is light years ahead of the competition. Even more impressive, SpaceX revealed that the booster had to navigate the highest wind speeds ever encountered during a super heavy landing. External factors like wind can greatly impact landing precision, yet the advanced capabilities of the Raptor engines and the booster's guidance system ensured a flawless touchdown. This demonstrates not only the robustness of SpaceX technology, but also its adaptability to real-world conditions. One of the standout upgrades revealed by SpaceX was the enhancement of the chopsticks themselves. The controls for the chopsticks were upgraded to allow them to open wider and begin their movement earlier, significantly expanding the range of possible landing trajectories. This improvement is a game changer. By starting wider and moving sooner, the chopsticks can accommodate a broader range of scenarios, increasing the reliability of the catching process. Despite this wider range, the system still closes with pinpoint accuracy thanks to its advanced synchronization capabilities. These upgrades make the process not only more efficient, but also more technically reliable. The implications of these advancements are profound. Routine catch and reuse operations have the potential to drastically reduce launch costs, paving the way for more frequent and ambitious missions. Whether it's lunar exploration, interplanetary travel, or the deployment of massive satellite constellations, SpaceX's progress is bringing us closer to a future where space exploration is as routine as catching a flight at your local airport. Now, let's take a step back and appreciate just how far SpaceX has come in such a short amount of time. The gap between Flight 5 and Flight 7 was just 95 days, barely 3 months. Yet in that time, SpaceX managed to refine their systems, implement critical upgrades, and successfully catch the Super Heavy booster not once, but twice. This pace of innovation is unparalleled in the aerospace industry. Catching the largest flying object ever built as it returns from space is no small feat. It involves navigating countless complexities, each requiring meticulous precision. From the moment Starship begins its ascent, every step of the process must be executed flawlessly. The grid fins and engine burns must work in perfect harmony to guide the booster's descent. The communication system must endure the chaotic environment of re-entry, ensuring that data is transmitted accurately and in real time. And, of course, the Mechazilla Tower's chopstick arms must execute a perfectly coordinated dance to catch the booster. Elon Musk himself has likened this process to catching a fly with chopsticks, a vivid analogy that highlights the sheer precision required. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of this process is the speed at which the booster re-enters the atmosphere. Traveling at over twice the speed of a bullet, the booster must withstand immense forces and extreme temperatures while maintaining control. The fact that SpaceX has engineered a system capable of not just surviving these conditions, but also achieving a controlled and precise descent is nothing short of remarkable. The progress made during Flight 7 doesn't stop at the catch itself. SpaceX also demonstrated a dramatically improved turnaround time for the booster's recovery. After landing, the booster was reattached to the launch mount in just 2 hours and 14 minutes, a significant improvement over the 6-hour timeline seen during Flight 5. This efficiency is a testament to SpaceX's commitment to optimizing every aspect of the recovery process. By addressing issues from previous flights, such as a small fire on the booster during Flight 5, SpaceX has shown its ability to learn and improve with each mission. Looking ahead, the implications of these advancements are immense. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson has praised SpaceX's progress, emphasizing its importance for programs like Artemis, which aims to return humans to the moon. The ability to recover and reuse boosters will not only reduce costs, but also accelerate timelines for critical missions. Beyond NASA, these advancements have also caught the attention of potential collaborators like the U.S. government, which sees the potential for using SpaceX's technology in applications like rapid cargo delivery and satellite deployment. But SpaceX's aspirations don't stop there. Elon Musk has made it clear that the ultimate goal is to make Starship the most frequent and reliable launch vehicle in history, surpassing even the incredible achievements of the Falcon 9. With over 400 successful booster landings and some boosters reused up to 25 times, the Falcon 9 has set a high bar. Yet Musk believes Starship can exceed these milestones, making space travel more accessible and opening up new opportunities for exploration and innovation. So what's next for SpaceX? While Flight 7 was a massive success, there's still work to be done. Flight 8, expected to launch as early as next month, will likely focus on completing the remaining objectives from Flight 7. Flight 9, potentially following in March, might aim to catch the Starship itself, a milestone that would bring SpaceX one step closer to achieving full reusability. With each mission, SpaceX continues to redefine what's possible in aerospace engineering. The release of the Flight 7 footage is a reminder of the incredible progress being made and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. SpaceX is not just reaching for the stars, they're bringing humanity along for the ride. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.